And like that. Alright. Or what?
Yeah, that's super ripe right now. And then went and had a couple drinks over like Beckett's and shit.
I'm like, sick. It's still got the plastic on it and everything. I like turn it on, just a huge cock on the background screen.
Sorry, dude, I don't even know. I can't even process it. You know? Shut up, Ryan. You got your picture with Liam Morgan yet?
Yeah.
Balls though.
Sur mon lit à bouffer sa langue en buvant, prends mon whisky quant à moi, peu dormi, vie débris, mais j'ai dû dormir dans la gouttière où j'ai eu un flash. En 4 couleurs. Allez hop, un matin, une louloute est venue chez moi, coupée de cellophane, cheveux chinois, un sparadrap, une gueule de bois, a bu ma bière dans un grand verre en caoutchouc. Comme un alien dans son igloo. Ça plane pour moi. Ça plane pour moi. Ça plane pour moi.
That was the culprit, okay.
That was the culprit, yeah.
Okay.
Alcohol. And then yeah, it was just like this. I didn't even look at him. I didn't even touch him. It was something like this with the pen.
What'd you learn from that, though?
Not to do that.
Yeah, at least you learned something from it, dude. At least it was a learning experience, man.
That's very awesome. Look at the nuggets. She's just popping her titties. She's like, yes, I got titties. And then she's about to get on her motorbike and be like,
Yeah.
Mom. Blanket.
Ça plane pour moi. Allez hop, un matin, une louloute est venue chez moi, coupée de cellophane, cheveux chinois, un sparadrap, une gueule de bois, a bu ma bière dans un grand verre en caoutchouc. Comme un alien dans son igloo. Ça plane pour moi. 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 Allez hop, la nana, quelle panard, quelle vibration de s'envoyer sur paillasson. Lit, mais ruiné, vidé, comblé. You are the king of the divan, qu'elle me dit en passant. I am the king of the divan. Ça plane pour moi. 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 Allez hop, t'occupe, t'inquiète, touche pas ma planète. It's not today que le ciel me tombera sur la tête et que la colle me manquera.